Let's practice. Let's practice few examples in which you have to underline the adverb clause and state their types. First is we must work hard. We must work that we may pass. Now tell me the adverb clause and what type of it is. What is the type of adverb clause? We must work that we may pass. So, adverb clause is that we may pass. Now, we must work. For what purpose we should work that we may pass? Right? So, it is adverb clause of purpose. It is adverb clause of purpose. Okay? Now, let's take the second example. You just try to find out what is the adverb clause here. Second one, as he was ill, he could not attend the office. He could not attend the office. Tell me the adverb clause here. As he was ill, he could not attend the office. Now it is telling you the reason behind that why he could not attend the office, as he was ill. So it is the adverb clause here and it is telling you the reason behind the action. So it is adverb clause of reason. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let's take one more example. Third one is just as I went to bed. Just as I went to bed, the clock struck 11. So tell me, when the clock struck 11? Yes, just as I went to bed. So just as I went to bed is the adverb clause, and which type? When. It answers the question when. When the clock struck 11. So it is adverb clause of time. Okay, let's take one more example. I hope it is clear to you that how to find out the adverb clause from the given sentences. Now, let's take if you like it. If you like it, you may get it. If you like it, you may get it. So it is which type of clause? Tell me. First of all, tell me the clause here. If you like it is the clause here because it is telling you the condition that if you like it, you may get it. Right? So it is adverb clause of condition. So I hope today's lecture is clear to you. Adverb clauses. So go through the lecture once more if it is not clear and ask the doubts if you are having any doubt. I hope just go through and do the exercise on your own. Thank you, and then match the answers from the answer key. Do both the exercise 1 and 2 in the book itself. Thank you.